Lenovo Legion Glasses 2 review. The best AR gaming glasses just got better. Want a huge gaming screen you can take anywhere? The Lenovo Legion Glasses 2 offer a private virtual display in a lightweight glasses-style design, but are they really worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Legion Glasses 2 use micro OLED displays with 1920 by 1080 resolution per eye, up to a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a 43.5-degree field of view. Lenovo describes the experience as similar to viewing a 126-inch virtual display, making these glasses useful for gaming, movies, and general entertainment. They weigh around 65 grams and feature adjustable nose pads, making the fit more customizable. The displays can reach up to 800 nits brightness, while the built-in speakers provide audio without requiring separate headphones. Connectivity is straightforward. The glasses connect through USB-C and require a compatible device with DisplayPort video output. That means they can work with supported gaming handhelds, laptops, smartphones, and other USB-C devices. Another interesting feature is 3D support through compatible software and content. However, compatibility isn't universal, so you'll want to check whether your specific device and games support the features you want. There are also some important limitations. These aren't standalone AR glasses. They don't have their own full computing platform, so they depend on a connected device. You also need to make sure your device supports the required USB-C video connection. Overall, the Legion Glasses 2 make the most sense for gamers and media users who want a large, private screen in a portable form. They're especially appealing for compatible handheld gaming devices and travel. If you want a portable virtual display with micro OLED, 120 Hz refresh rate, and a lightweight design, the Legion Glasses 2 are worth considering. But if you want completely standalone or wireless AR glasses, you'll need to look elsewhere. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your next product suggestion.